Hello guys, welcome to TechnoSalad. Many times you need images without background. Whether you are creating a thumbnail or a product image for your online store, you need images without background. Removing backgrounds from the photos is a tedious task and takes a lot of time and attention to detail. You can do this task with the help of professional softwares like Photoshop, but these softwares are paid one and need some efforts to remove the background from an image. In this video, we are going to show you the very simple way to remove the background from an image. You can cut out the images in just 5 seconds with just 2 clicks and 100% automatically. We are talking about a website remove.bg. Whether you are cutting out selfies, product photos or a portrait shots, remove.bg handles the challenging edges like the notorious hair and other tricky conditions exceptionally well. There are paid plans as well, but if you need to remove the background from the image occasionally, then the free plan will work perfectly. Now let's see how to remove the background from an image. First, open your browser and access remove.bg. You will find the URL in the description. On the right hand side, click the upload image button. Here the file selection window will get opened, from which you need to select an image. Once you select the file gets uploaded and a website will display an image with the removed background and the original one. Click on the download button on the right hand side and the process image gets downloaded to your computer. It is that simple. With just 2 clicks you will get the image with the background removed. This really saves a lot of time and efforts. Hope you like the video. If this video helped you in any way, then please like and share the video and don't forget to subscribe to TechnoSalad.